In this video, I will show you how to see how many hours you played a game on Roblox. First thing that you're gonna have to do is go to roblox.com and log into your account. It's actually not on the feature of roblox.com that you will see how many hours you played, but there's something that we can do about that. In a new tab on your internet browser, go to google.com and then search Robro. Now click the first one that you see and the results will be taken directly to the said page. What you're going to do next is click the blue one that says add to Chrome. Once you do, you will have a confirmation here and then click the add extension. For just a few seconds, it will now be added to your own extension. Then be rerouted to Robro's screen. Now what you're gonna do is just put this screen off. Once you're done with that, go back to roblox.com and refresh the page. What you're gonna do next is verify your Robro account. It says here verify a pro user, click on that. Click on verify Roblox account. Refresh and click the Robro icon on the upper right corner, and then you will be rerouted to this page. Now make sure the experience playtime tracking is turned on. This will let you know how many hours you played any game. That's it for today's quick how-to, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell button so you wouldn't miss any of our videos. See you on our next one.